Everyone, this is Drew from RC Mods. Just about to do an unboxing of my new Yuneec Typhoon H drone. I just got this a couple of days ago. I actually missed the FedEx delivery, and so I had to pick it up directly from the FedEx store. So here it is. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much details on unboxing these because there's already a lot of unboxing videos about the Yuneec Typhoon H. I just want to show you what is in the box. Okay, so let's check out what's inside this case. It comes in a nice styrofoam case. Ooh, look at that. There's the Typhoon H. Everything fits snugly inside this case, well protected. All the accessories comes with it. This case actually comes, or you can get a bag and it fits in the bag, and it's a backpack type bag that you can get. I actually put an order for that one, so that's coming soon. Okay, so there are a lot of various types of drones out there. I got this specifically because of the purpose of what I'm going to use it for. I do home inspections, and I think this is going to be the best one that I can use in terms of inspecting roofs. With the 6 propellers, I think this drone is going to be very stable against wind gusts during roof inspections. Here is the protection for the gimbal camera, and you can see the gimbal camera. The camera actually turns 360 degrees, and these legs actually folds up out of the way, so that's perfect for my purpose. Let's take a look at the what comes inside this package. So here you have the main controller. It comes with a sunshade, so when it's sunny you can put that over the screen to block the glare. There's your Typhoon H with the 6 propellers. It's a really great looking drone. It is huge. It's large, so it's perfect for my purpose. When the larger it is, obviously the better it is against the wind. That's my experience with helicopters, actually. Let's see here. Here's the charger. Also comes with a cable to charge in the car. So it's perfect. You can charge in the car while you're driving. And there's your battery. You can also get extra batteries in Amazon. It comes with extra propellers. Oh, this is the wizard wand. So this is what you would use if you don't want to use the big controller. This is what you want to use when you want the drone to follow you. So that's perfect. That's what I'm going to be using it a lot for when I'm mountain biking. There's the manual. Also comes with a harness so that you can connect your controller and put it over your neck. Makes it a lot comfortable to hold. So there it is. I think I'm very excited with this, and I can't wait to get this thing flying. I'm gonna do another video of it, and so check back with me. And oh, before I forget, here's the styrofoam case. Again, like I said, this thing you can get a bag for it, and this whole thing will fit in a backpack type bag, so that's perfect for carrying it around. So anyway, check back with me, and I'll have a video pretty soon on my maiden flight of the Typhoon H. Thanks for watching, everyone.